Hey guys, good morning. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I've got a 2017 Pete 389 factory built glider kit day cab I want to show you today. It's built with a 12.7 liter Detroit, an 18 speed. It's only got 413,000 original miles on it. It's got new injectors, new head, new transmission recently installed. I've gotten it hot this morning, so I'm going to do a full walk around, show you operating temp, blow by, oil pressure. There's your miles and hours there. Let's see, coolant's up to temp. Good low side oil pressure, right under 30 there. Super smooth through the RPMs. Oil pressure jumps up there like it should, well up over 50. This one's also got a headache rack and a wet kit. Platinum interior, clean on the inside. This is a Southern truck as well, so there's no rust. Good side angle there. Really nice, well-kept truck. Body and paint look to be really good. And get this hood tilted over. Couple little scratches right there on the grill surround. It's really the only blemishes I see on the exterior. Robot's good on this one as well. There's your wet kit, headache rack, hydraulic lines. You see the frame rail is really smooth. Nice matched up, excellent virgin rubber on the back here. Air slide fifth wheel. It's got new brakes on it as well. Side of the step there. Little that may buff out. I'm not sure. Not sure what that is on the edge of the paint. Overall, extremely clean though. Guys, I appreciate you watching. If you got questions on this one or anything else, feel free to reach out to me, 901-896-4526. You can also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.